Hey everybody, I'm here with Sarah Diddy.
Sarah Diddy.
Sarah Diddy.
Yeah.
That's your brand.
That's my brand.
But your name is Sarah?
Sarah.
Yes,
Thomas.
Thomas, yeah. And Sarah is beloved by BERNINA. She's a BERNINA gal. What do you have at home?
I quilt on the Q24 on the frame.
Uh-huh.
And I teach on the Q20 on the table.
Okay, so I kind of have been thinking real seriously about getting one of these. You guys know. But space, it's an issue. So how do I know, I mean, how big is this thing? Do you know?
You have a tape measure, so
Okay.
let's find out.
Okay.
This is the smallest. This is the lift table
Okay.
that we have the Q20 on. So at its smallest width,
47.
47, not bad, right?
Uh-huh, and then how deep
But
is it?
you have,
Let me do this too. Let me do
oh
this too.
yeah.
By
3 feet.
3 feet. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
So it
I
fits
can do
perfect-
this.
Yeah, it fits perfectly into a corner if you're really
Right.
tight
right,
on space.
Right.
But if you ever need the extra room,
Okay.
on both sides there are extensions, so you can just lift that up.
Okay. And then this is now
Takes it to
6 feet.
6 feet.
Yes.
Yeah, 72 inches.
Okay. What about the side doodads? I
Okay,
love
well
the
let me show
side
you
doodads.
this. Go ahead and take your tape measure.
Okay.
So if I leave this extension up,
Uh-huh.
and I go ahead and pull out the support, pull out this drawer right here. And we can do this on both sides. So you don't have to do both, but let's do this one
Whoa,
right
whoa,
here.
whoa. Say that again. You can do it on both sides?
Both sides. So picture yourself sitting here.
Yeah.
And you have your arms with a resting spot, and that way it alleviates all of the stress that we have so hard
Okay.
in our arms.
It's getting better by the minute.
I know. All right, so the drawer pulls out. We have the wing supported, and you see these little notches.
Uh-huh.
They fit right in here.
Okay.
So you just slide them in.
Well, this is kind of like my horn table.
Well, this is made by Horn.
Oh, okay. There you go.
It's exactly that, and then it snaps down, and there you go. You've got your support wing.
Okay, but wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
There's more. Okay.
Do you ever like to stand up and
Sure.
quilt?
Sure.
Could you stand up at this?
No, only if I was like 4 foot tall.
Did you know that this table has a lift?
Stop it.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
All right. Do you see this little guy
Yes,
here?
yes,
So
yeah.
hit the arrows up and just hold it up. So this table will go from 29 inches to 42 inches. You can let go wherever you want. And you can set it.
Oh my gosh!
Right? And then it also has the ability where you can save 3 different memory settings. So maybe you have a low stool that you really like to sit in, or you have a higher stool for lumbar support, or you just want to stand up and quilt, because sometimes I just want to stand up at my domestic.
And I just noticed something else here. It's on wheels.
It's on caster wheels, and they do lock.
Okay.
So again, if you are tight on space and you just want to push it into the corner of your studio, but then you're ready to quilt and you do want both of the wings out, it's really easy. Just kick up the locks on the wheels, take it out to your spot.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Oh my gosh. This is fabulous.
I know.
So when I get this, John's taking the picture. When I get this, John, I will for sure want this table, right?
Totally.
Yeah.
100%.
Sarah, you rock. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Enjoy your new machine.